Hey guys, look at this beautiful donut. Don't you love this donut? See how fanimorous and delicious it looks. Stay tuned to see how I make this. Hi guys, welcome to my channel today. My name is NikkyK. If you were just tuning in for the first time, I really do appreciate you. Please consider hitting the like and the subscribe button. To my returning subscribers, you already know, God bless you. In this video, I'm gonna be making a no rice pumpkin pie spice donut. Yes guys, so let's just jump straight to it. The first ingredient I'm gonna be needing here is my baking powder, obviously, my sugar, and then you could see that's my pumpkin puree, guys. I actually got this at the store in a can, so I just turned it in there. And then this is my flour, obviously, for baking. And the next thing, guys, what's flour used for before, is my salt. Yeah. And the next thing you'll be seeing here is my egg. Yeah, I'm gonna just one egg is what I'm gonna be using. And that's my butter, country crock butter. You can use whichever butter you want. That's my pumpkin pie spice. Yes guys, it's a Spice Island brand. I got it from Target. And that's my buttermilk. I got this from Kroger. In place of buttermilk, you could use whole milk or even yogurt, but I decided to buy buttermilk. I mean, buttermilk and yogurt. Anyway, this is what I decided to use, guys. So let's get straight to it, guys. Yep. Okay, so guys, I'm ready to make this beautiful delicious donuts. I am so hungry. It's a Sunday afternoon. NikkyK is super hungry. So I've grabbed my spoolie. The first thing I'm going to be doing here is turning in my baking powder into my flour, guys, and then my sugar. Did I pour this sugar? Let me just put all. My sugar. It's my sugar, guys. Don't judge me. Yes. And what I'm gonna do is mix my dry ingredients together first, which you can see. I'm gonna turn in my pumpkin spice. Yes, it's gonna be next to my salt. I'm gonna put my salt next after this pumpkin spice. Mix everything all together. I'm gonna be mixing everything separately, but at the end of the day, I'm gonna put them all together. So the next thing here is my buttermilk, my melted butter as well. My egg. I'm just gonna be using one egg, but it depends on you, whatever rocks your boat. If you want 2 eggs, however you want it, guys, like you're free to do whatever you want. If you want to try the recipe out, it depends on quantity too as well. So I'll just use 1 egg here. And then the way I mix my dry ingredients, I'm going to be mixing the wet ingredients as well. I'm not mixing in any particular order. However you want to mix, just mix till you achieve your own consistency. So guys, let me tell you what inspired this pumpkin donuts. So basically, I'm like, everywhere pumpkin. Fall is around the corner, you know, pumpkins are everywhere, stores everywhere. Okay, people are decorating pumpkin. Let me just make something with pumpkin, Abby. So I decided to make a pumpkin pie spice inspired donuts. Gosh, that's too much pumpkin pa. So I decided to go with pumpkin flavored spice donut, guys. English is hard. So I've turned in the puree now. I'm just gonna mix it till I feel it's okay. I'm just gonna mix. Yes guys, so see how it looks. It looks so creamy. Ooh. And the next thing I'm gonna do is turn my flour, mix my flour as usual until I achieve my consistency. Do you see how it looks? See me turning the thing like Eba. For those of you that know, you know. Yeah, this is what it's supposed to look like though. This is what it's supposed to look like, guys. NikkyK. This my mouth will not put me in trouble. So the next thing, I've heated my oil, as you can see. I grab my ice cream spoon, yes, and I start frying. When you turn your dough into the pan and it gets brown immediately, just know your oil is too hot. So try not to make sure your oil is too hot. So what I usually do is I put my stove on 6. We use electric, so I put it on like 6, and then that way it just takes time to get hot. It doesn't get hot immediately and become so hot and so smoky all over the place, and if you know what I mean. So that's what I do. Oh my god, this looks so beautiful, guys. Just look at this. Who doesn't want to eat better? Just look at this, guys. It looks like there's this thing we eat in Nigeria. It's called buns. It looks like buns, guys. But technically it's not. Or maybe you guys can say it's buns, but it's prepared differently. You know what I'm saying? See how I'm doing the thing like mekose. Those of you that know, you know. To my Hausa sisters that will be watching this video, you know what kose means. Anyway, let me satisfy everybody. Kose is called in English it's called bean cake, and then for my Yoruba brothers and sisters, akara. See, I'm doing like all these women that fry akara. Nike, Oshe. This is my spider self. I need a bigger one. So it can grab like 2, 3, 4 at the same time. And I'll try to what they call it. Anyway, guys, you can see my donut is ready. Yeah, guys. You should pardon my filming. It's not easy to film videos, edit videos, do everything. Well, this is it, guys. As you can see, it's all ready. Do you want some? You guys can come and have some. Yes, have this one. But see, that's the pumpkin color. That's it right there. See how it looks? It looks, I don't know, brown, yellowish, orange. As I said, it's the weather, the season, autumn that inspired it. If you want to see how I made it, I just glazed it with some sugar and pumpkin spice flavor. Pumpkin pie spice, yes. So yes, NikkyK and garnishing. I didn't even do it well. I should have blended my sugar. It should have looked so powdery and like what do you call it, icing sugar with some pumpkin spice in it. But guys, this was so beautiful. It tastes really good. If you think you like what you see, you could try it out, guys. It's so simple. It's like the easiest donut you can ever make. I love donuts. I really do love, and this tastes really cakey and delicious. So if you think what you like, guys, please consider hitting the like button and the subscribe button. Join this beautiful family. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching up till the end. God bless you guys. Enjoy.